Hello friends, my name is Bhavik and I am founder and CEO of Sendevix Design Studio. In this video, we will learn how to create a new project in Design Studio. Let's begin. To create a new project, click on a new icon available into the project section in main menu bar. Project title. In this wizard, we need to enter the project information. Project title, we are going to create an inventory management project. So here, inventory management system, the URL would be, I'm going to deploy this project on my local PC. So there are two different options, a remote server and the local PC. If you want to deploy the project into the remote server directly, you need to create your FTP users like FTP server, FTP folder and FTP username and passwords. But right now I'm going to deploy the project into my local PC. So my URL would be localhost and IMS, that is inventory management system. I have already installed XAMPP into my system. So into my HTTP docs, I need to create a new folder, that is IMS, and I will select the folder. Now if we want to put our FAV icon to our site, we need to select the ICO file, that is icon file from your PC. So here is the icon file. This file will get automatically copied into your destination folder, that is available into your XAMPP folder. And the site identity, I will choose the logo as a site identity. Again, we will copy the file into the destination folder and we need to describe the project. So it's a web application for inventory management system. When we click the next button, it will save the record and ask for the second option, that is database info. Currently in this system, in this project, we will create a new database through the MySQL. I will enter the database name as a inventory management system IMS and we will click on a create. So database has been created. You can see here into the database there are no tables right now. We will back to the Design Studio. We will enter the local server name as a localhost, database name as a IMS and username as a root. We don't have right now in my system, I don't have a user password for the root. So I will click on a next. Now the Design Studio try to connect with the database and validate our given database parameters. Once the database is connected, you can see the prompt with the number of tables available into the database. Let's wait. See here there are no tables right now. So let's build the application with this. Our project creation is with the default database connection services, user management data tables and the install the framework. Design Studio will provide you the default database connectivity script, the basic user management tables and the necessary script. This all will be extracted from the framework file given along with the application. Here the database structures are going to create. So I will click on the yes. Here we need to enter the admin user. The admin user can assign the user's rights, create the user role and give the user permissions to the user. So here I'm entering my username ID, that is bhavik@sendevix.com. Okay. Yes, the framework has been installed and now it is ready to start. So we click on the OK. Design Studio open the created project and loading all the default queries and available tables, and you will be transferred. This is a desktop dashboard where you can see the project title, inventory management system, our URL, our file storage and the default generated pages. Automatically, there are 4 tables created by Design Studio and one web service that is for the database connectivity. Let's check into the database info. This is a database info we have connected. It will display the existing tables that those are created automatically. From this section, we can also create a new tables and alter the existing one, but that we will learn later on. So here you can see the another web service is automatically created. This will helpful to you. See you in next video.